and the window fell down into the shaft, and the window wouldn't go up. And when that happens, you know it's the window regulator. Had to replace it. Here's what I did. Okay, so to replace the regulator, you'll have two screws. You'll have one in here, and you'll have a regular Phillips head in here. And over here you have a star 25, and you can use that to get the door off, and then you have your clips which get attached, and you should be good to go. There are many videos on YouTube that could show you how to take off the door or the door panel, but as you can see here, you have the two cross bars that will go to the door locks. They're very easy to clip in and clip off. Just be careful not to break the clips. Otherwise you'll have to order them from Jeep or get them from a parts source. So I picked up a window regulator, here it is, and I got it on Amazon. It was cheap, it's like 40 American dollars. Mechanic will charge you for about an hour labor, maybe 2 hours for that job. It'll take you about an hour, and that's about 125. The part they'll double, 40 you spend, 80 they'll charge. Pretty good money savings if you do it yourself. Remove the speaker and I take off the weather guard that's underneath. And inside is where the motor and the regulator housing goes. This is the window control module adapter piece, and this goes to the electric motor, which will come out through here, and it'll clamp on to this extension phenol right here. Your old regulator will come out through the opening in the door. You'll put the new regulator in through that opening and you'll line it up. Don't worry that it's a little bit curved. You can see the two steel bars that are for the door locks that clip on and clip off very easily. These are the bolts that attach the motor to the wall of the door from the inside. They make a little triangular pattern. Okay, so I've put it inside. I've placed it through here, and it bolts. The window regulator bolts the frame down to here. The motor slips inside, and there are these three bolts that hold it on. It's a pretty easy process. Okay, so I've got the regulator, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the electric works. And then what I'll do is I'll plug it in. The carriage support goes along a track and is drawn up and down. The motor pulls a cable. It's raising and lowering. Draws the carriage up and down within your door. Now what I'll do is I'll take off these clips, and if you can see, this little slot on the window where the window is attached will fit right behind inside. It'll fit right into the guide, and those clips will secure it into place. And I'll do one inside over there as well, and we should be good to go. Okay, so before I put the door panel back on and I tighten everything up, I've got to remove the speaker, and also got to replace it, put it back on. Everything's in order. Is it working? Like a charm. And that's all it is to replace the regulator. Takes about an hour. It's not too hard. You can do it yourself.